Hello, my name is Mohammad Mamsa. I'm from Mumbai. I own a Thar 2023 model rear wheel drive. It's been 1 year since I've bought it and I've been driving it. And the only problem I've been facing with it is too much bumpiness on plain roads. So today I came to ARC suspension and we have installed the new ARC new Thar ka kit and it's been wonderful. I've test driven the car after the fitment and it's driving wonderfully and I recommend every one of you guys to try it on your car too. Thank you.
Any kind of suggestions from your side?
Nahi, it's amazing. It'll help all the bumpiness to go away and even the nose dip and all the problems Thar has, it'll help
As a
in that.
doctor, what you would like to suggest people?
Come and try this out. It's definitely a good product and it's definitely a good service provided by Deepak Pawar sir. And yes, it's wonderful.
Anything about the fatigue and things?
Fatigue has been reduced. Before, I used to get a lot of fatigue while driving it between long distances, maybe say 20-40 kilometers. But now I've driven it around 30 kilometers and it's performed wonderfully.
I think we have taken 30.
We have taken 30 kilometers. Yes.
So, would you like to love to drive the car now?
I would love to drive the car. I am eager to go and drive.
It's fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.